I have had the opportunity to work in the emergency service industry for over 15 years. As a woman-owned business, we are nationally certified by the Pacific Southwest Minority Development Council. I trained in Arizona with Fireline Advanced Training and Education. I absolutely love what I do. I get to wake up every day and help people who are in the middle of a disaster. Nothing makes me feel more accomplished than at the end of the day when a homeowner calls me and says my team was amazing, or when an insurance adjuster calls just to say thank you for taking such great care of their insured. Every day we are making a difference. Take a look at Simply Contents in action. When we arrive to your home or business, you will be greeted by one of our project managers. They will be there to assist you with any questions you may have during the inventory and packing process. Our team carefully wraps and packs your contents with the utmost care, from the smallest items to your largest furniture pieces. Once we have packed all your contents, we transport them to our secured, climate-controlled warehouse. Remember, we service California, Oregon, and Washington. We are the preferred contents vendor for most insurance companies.